Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Startup Yourself. We're back with yet another awesome video which we are sure you don't want to miss out on. In today's video, we'll look into two of the biggest investors in the American asset management landscape, Cathie Wood and Michael Burry. Which of these two giants is better? Let's find out. The stock market can be a vicious place for amateurs. Not just the stock market. In fact, investment itself is a risky business, especially if you have less experience and bad luck. But some people, with their great insight and their attention to detail, end up coming on top of this unpredictable market. It's true in investments. The bigger the risk, the bigger the rewards. That is, if there's any reward at all. Cathie Wood and Michael Burry are both those people who have enjoyed big rewards for their risks. Their business insight has landed them a place at the top of the asset management hierarchy. But in every hierarchy, only one comes on top. So, which one of these is it? Watch until the end to find out. Before we go any further, how about you take a minute to scroll down and hit that like button. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Alright then, let's dive right back. Cathie Wood started as an assistant economist and slowly but steadily built her way to the top. Today, she enjoys her position as one of the best female investors and star stock pitcher. We have proof to back up our claim too. Her spot on the Forbes 50 above 50 list. With a net worth of $400 million, Cathie is a force to be reckoned with and a voice to be heard very carefully. Cathie's ARC innovation firm is a money-making machine and her predictions are spot on. Cathie has bet her money on tech being our future. Michael Burry, on the other hand, is a more conventional sort of player. He doesn't care much for technology or electric cars or such, but that doesn't mean he's not up to date with market trends. In fact, he looks quite ahead of the current trends. Like we saw during the subprime mortgage crisis of 2007, Michael was one of the very few people who saw the collapse of the market coming. And by betting on the right side of the fulcrum, Burry profited immensely and was quickly regarded as a leader in the world of investment. Recently, the two top-tier investors have butted heads, and we could not help but wonder who is the better investor and stock pitcher. Cathie is a believer in technology and the hold it will have on the future. She is a long-time Tesla bull. The biggest holding of ARK Fund is Tesla, and Cathie is confident Tesla is going to be as big as Apple. Michael, however, believes otherwise. He has stated time and again that Tesla is no different from the housing bubble. Slamming the high prices of the electric car, Michael is all set to see the downfall of this latest tech frontrunner. Michael has gone as far as betting against Tesla and obviously rivaled against Wood. The two investors also don't see eye to eye regarding the importance and future of cryptocurrency. Cathie is as sure about this as Tesla and believes cryptocurrency is the missing layer of the internet. She has predicted Bitcoin will eventually soar to about tenfold in the value of $500,000 a coin. Michael is skeptical about crypto and has gone as far as dismissing Bitcoin as a speculative bubble built on massive amounts of leverage and question its future because governments won't want to lose their currency monopolies. Another big clash of opinion and predictions between them came when Cathie invested in Robinhood following its recent IPO, whereas Burry has blasted the trading app as a dangerous casino that markets itself as fun for all ages. He doesn't believe the app will hold up. Michael has another big, worrying prediction up his sleeve. He believes that the end of the world is near. Just kidding. He believes the stock market is dancing on a knife's edge, and it's going to come crashing down anytime now. Cathie isn't so worried. She believes the stock market isn't a bubble and is willing to keep betting on it. With all these predictions, it's pretty clear where the two stock pitchers stand. Cathie swears by tech and innovation, and Michael is less impressed by it. After Michael bet against Cathie's fund, she took to Twitter and noted that Michael just doesn't get tech. And honestly, we kinda agree. It does seem like Michael's downplaying the influence tech has on the world economy. He may have been right on the spot about the housing crisis, but he isn't keeping up with the changing market trends, especially when it comes to innovation and technology. We have looked at all the facts and seen all the big points the two investors disagree on. They are both gifted at their job, sure, but with such stark differences in opinion, only one can be right. You can decide for yourself who you want to stand behind, but we know who we're betting on, and it's Queen Cathie. like her Reddit likes to call her. And that's it from our side today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you very soon.